Hi dear students, I am H. Waqas Sharif and you are watching educational channel Learn English with Waqas Sharif. In today's educational video, we are going to discuss correct mistakes of the sentences. Dear student, this question lies in objective portion. It carries 5 marks. There are 5 sentences in this question. Every sentence, each sentence has 4 possible answers. One answer is correct. A student has to recognize this option. Dear student, on the same time, you can recognize the correct sentence if you know the rule of grammar. Let's start to discuss these grammatical rules. The very first sentence says he is senior than me. As you can see on your screen, there are 4 possible answers. A option is he is senior to me. Next, he is senior. He is the senior to me. Next, he is senior than mine. Next, he is a senior to me. The right option is A. That is, he is senior to me. Dear students, why so? It is correct. Uh, Such words, junior, senior, prior, interior, superior, inferior, they always take preposition to instead of than. Or you can understand in this way, such words that ends on IOR. For example, junior, it ends IOR, senior ends on IOR, prior ends on IOR, inferior ends on IOR, superior ends on IOR, inferior ends on IOR. Always take preposition to instead of than. Next is, higher we go, cooler it is. The correct sentence is, the higher we go, the cooler it is. Dear student, in a sentence, if there is use comparative degree more than one time, as one time, as you can see, higher and cooler, more than one time. We'll use definite article before each comparative degree. As you can see, we have used the definite article be before higher. In the similar way, we use uh, uh, definite article be before cooler. Next, he did not leave his work incomplete. Correct sentence is he did not leave his work incomplete. Dear student, incomplete word does not exist in dictionary. That is why it is a wrong expression. The correct expression, the correct word is incomplete. Next is I cannot trust in the statement. Correct sentence is I cannot trust on the statement. Dear student, trust on, believe on are used for people or things, whereas trust in, believe in always used for heavenly bodies. I mean to say God Almighty or religion. For example, I believe in the teaching of Islam. Next, I gave to him my book. The correct sentence is I gave him my book. Next is he said that he will play hockey. Dear student, past tense is always followed by past tense. If a principal clause in past tense, the subordinate clause will be in past tense. As you can see, he said that is the principal clause. He would play hockey. It is a subordinate clause. Next, he talks nonsense often. Correct sentence, he often talks nonsense. Dear student, often is an adverb. Normally, the place of adverb is at the end of a sentence, but when we have stress, we give stress to a sentence, we use adverb between subject and verb. As you can see, he is a subject, talks is a verb, whereas often is an adverb. It has been used between subject and verb. Next is Higher you go, cooler it is. Correct sentence is the higher you go, the cooler it is. Dear student, it is the repetition of the sentence because these sentences have been taken from the past year paper. And you know that in past year paper, there is the repetition of questions. Next, in correct sentence, how many cattle are grazing in the field? Correct sentence is how many cattle are grazing in the field. Dear students, such like words cattle, sheep, deer, people, etc. have no plural because they are already plural nouns. That is why they don't take s. Uh, Next is it is I who is to blame. Correct sentence is it is I who am to blame. Dear student, who is a relative pronoun. Uh, it qualifies for I. That is why I always take am, not is. That is why this sentence is correct. Next, he knows swimming. Uh, Correct sentence is he knows how to swim or he can swim. Dear student, such like words that are performing, drive, operate, dance, they always take the expression how to or can. For example, he can drive a car, he can operate the system or computer, he can dance, or he knows how to dance, he knows how to operate the system or how to operate the computer, he knows how to drive car. Next is the documents are attached herewith. The correct is the documents are attached. Dear student, attach itself showing the meaning herewith. That is why herewith unnecessary. Next is she is more wiser than I. Correct sentence. She is wiser than I or she is more wise than I. Reason is double comparatives are not used in English construction. Next, he said that he is ill. The correct is he said that he was ill. Past tense is always followed by past tense. This rule we have discussed earlier. Next, if he had helped me, I had succeeded. Dear student, correct is if he had helped me, I would have succeeded. Dear student, it is a third conditional sentence, and the construction of third conditional sentence, as you can see on your screen, if plus past perfect tense, as you can see, he had helped me. Subject I would have after it succeeded. Uh, Past participle mean third form of verb. Next, Lahore is a worth seeing city. Correct sentence is Lahore is a city worth seeing. Dear student, worth seeing is such an adjective that comes after its noun. Next, it is nothing else than pride. The correct is it is nothing else but pride. Dear student, else always take, but not than. Next is the jury was not the jury was not of one opinion. Correct is the jury were not of one opinion. Dear students, such like words jury, army, team, etc. are singular and plural. If they are used in a singular sense, they will take singular helping verb. If they are used in a plural sense, they will take plural helping verb. In this sentence, the jury word has been used in a plural sense. That is why we put a verb in place of was. Next, neither he nor I are busy. Correct is neither he nor I am busy. Dear student, neither nor either or such such expressions are used when two subjects are used in a sentence. In this sentence, the helping verb is always used with accordance with second subject. Our second subject is I. I doesn't take R, rather it takes am. That is why we place it, not I am busy. Dear student, that is all about correction. It is the first episode or part of the correction. Uh, in the near future, we will discuss rest of the rules of the correction. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos, because this channel has been launched with this idea to impart quality education to a student. At the end, dear student, if you have any question, please do write me on my Gmail address, as you can see on your screen, hafiz.wakas.sharif@gmail.com, and you can also contact with me on my WhatsApp number, that is 0322473534. Uh, till next video, goodbye. Thank you.